Hi, today I'm going to show you how to grow nitrate crystals for gunpowder. You will need spectricide stump remover. Now, spectricide stump remover is 99% potassium nitrate. Take it and pour about 1/3 of a cup into a see-through container. Take super hot boiling water and pour it into the stump remover. And stir it up thoroughly until the potassium nitrate completely dissolves. Then you're going to want to let this sit overnight. And by the time you wake up the next morning, the crystals will have grown and formed inside the cup. Now, of course, you'll have to pour off the excess liquid, but there are your nitrate crystals for making gunpowder. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.